We're asked to determine the empirical formula of a compound. We know our protocol is grams of each element, moles of each element, then mole ratio. From the statement of the question, we're told directly how many grams of iron and grams of oxygen we have. So it's easy to calculate the number of moles of each. So we've determined the number of moles of iron and moles of oxygen. It doesn't look obvious to me what the mole ratio is, so I'm going to divide by the least number of moles. So we've divided by the least number of moles, which is 0.0261, and we now have a mole ratio of 1.00 to 1.33. We can't report our formula fractionally, so we want to get a whole number ratio, and we can do that by multiplying both of these by 3. So we're going to multiply both of these subscripts by 3, and we get Fe3O4, our final answer. Again, we have to multiply by 3 because we need whole numbers in our molecular formula, and we can't simply round this off to 1.00. These are clearly different values. So this is Fe3O4, our final answer.